So viewers, in the previous video we had learned about the Swift functions, that what the functions are, and what the functions with parameters, and what are the functions without parameters, and how to declare a function with a return type. And in this video we will learn about the Swift class and objects. We can simply define in brief that class is a mixture of methods and properties, means all the variables, constants and functions are bind together to form a class. And object is an instance of that class. Let's take a deep look into the classes and object. Go to the online Swift playground. A class is simply declared as a class with class name, like I have a class game score. This is how you can simply start a class. Now add some properties in this, where score 1 equals to 100, where score 2 equals to 200, score 3 equals to 300. This is a class, and when we use to assess these properties in another class or somewhere else, we cannot directly access this. We need an object to access the properties and function of class. Now let's declare an object. Let's score object equals to game score. Now we can access the variables of game score class through this object, as we cannot access the class directly. So to access that class variables, we will declare an object. When we will print score object, it will give that it is of class type. Print Swift playground dot game score class. And when we wish to get the variable from that class, we will simply get this by adding dot class name dot variable name. Run button. It prints a value 100. This is the definition of class and object. Means in class we can declare variables, constant, and we can add functions to that class, but we cannot directly access the variables of that class. So to access that, we need an object. Here we had defined its object and get its variable. And in the next video we will discuss that how to create a project in Xcode, and after that we will print our basic syntax there firstly. So we will discuss more about the other properties in Xcode. Thank you. For more updates, please subscribe the channel.